Today's visualization brings to life the legendary von Neumann elephant, inspired by the idea that even complex shapes can emerge from only a few parameters. The famous quote says, "With 4 parameters, I can fit an elephant, and with 5, I can make him wiggle his trunk." Mathematicians later proved this by combining layered sine and cosine functions to shape an elephant's outline. The term minus 60 cos t defines the main body, while 30 sine t shapes the head and gives the structure its initial form. Higher frequency waves, such as sine 2t and sine 3t, sculpt the legs, trunk, and subtle details. On the vertical axis, 50 sine t sets the overall height, and additional cosine components refine posture, curves, and motion. As the loop continues, these harmonic elements merge into a surprisingly organic silhouette. What started as a playful remark became a mathematical achievement, now transformed into smooth generative art through CM2A. Subscribe for more daily math art.